Hi friends, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to calculate sum of the numbers in every alternative columns or rows. As you can see in the screen, here I have some random numbers and the requirement is to calculate the total from every alternative row. Means if I select this number, then I have to skip the next one, then add the third number. By skipping fourth, I need to add fifth number and so on. The another case is the even columns in the range, like from the second column, fourth column, sixth column, eighth column. So in this case I can use here a custom function which I have already created, which is the sum alternate function. Let me press equal to, then type sum. Here you see the sum alternate function is given. Double click on this to choose, then select the number range, put a comma and put the type of the sum, that is from either odd column or even column. So put here double quotation, put even, double quotation, bracket close, hit enter. This is the total of the even columns in the range, like from the column number 2, 4, 6 and 8. The total is 136. The same way you can use the formula for the rows, like press equal to, type sum alternate, then select the range, put a comma. For the odd rows summing, put here double quotation, odd, double quotation, bracket close, press enter. Here I need to put double quotation, then press enter, and this is the total of odd rows. Let me test this by selecting every odd rows, which is row number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The total is 186 and the formula also calculated 186. Now you can just drag and fill the formula for other columns, and here also drag and fill the formula for other rows. Now let's learn how we can create this function in Microsoft Excel. To create this function, you need to write VBA code in the Visual Basic for Applications. The code I have already written here in this notepad document. I will provide this code download link in the video description below, from where you can simply copy this. Let me copy this entire code by selecting, then right click, copy. Go to Microsoft Excel, then click on the Developer tab, then Visual Basic. In the VBA window, click on Insert tab, then Module. In this Module section, just paste the code that you have copied. Now you can close this VBA editor window. Then you will see the sum alternate function here. Press equal to, type sum. The function is given here. Double click on this to choose. Then select your number range, put a comma, then put the type of the sum, that is either odd or even. Let me put a double quotation, even, double quotation, bracket close, hit enter. The total is 136, which is from column number 2, 4, 6 and 8. The total is 136. Just use the fill handle to drag this down, and for the row also you can use the same function. Now if you want to preserve this function in your Excel workbook, you have to save this workbook as a macro enabled workbook. For that, click on the File tab, Save As. In the type of the file, choose this Excel macro enabled workbook. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Let me select desktop. Then click on the Save button. Next time, to use this sum alternate function in the workbook, you have to open the macro enabled version of the file that is saved in desktop. So this is how you can create a custom function for calculating the total of values in every alternate columns or rows in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.